Welcome to the Glenshee Ski Centre in Scotland. And just behind the camera you'll see a Munro called 𝗂𝗀𝗄𝗲 or 𝗂𝗀𝗄𝗲. Not sure how to pronounce it. But I'm going to do a winter wild camp, or certainly a cold wild camp up here, because it's quite an easy place to get to. There's a massive car park, you've got facilities down there as well. There's a cafe and toilets, things like that. And the walking's fairly easy. And you've also got another Munro, the 𝗂𝗀𝗄𝗹𝗲, just over to the side of the camera. But in between the two of these Munros, there's actually a bit of a lock-in, a little pond where I've camped before. And the weather forecast for tonight is just clear skies, cold, and there's also the potential for another cloud inversion. Time to get the hot water bottle on the go and give it a check and make sure we don't have any major leaks. That would be a disaster. Now this miniature hot water bottle takes, I'm sure it takes, what is it, 500-600 mils, which is about what my mug is full. I could do with a little bit more. But we'll give this a go. Nice. Oof, wow, wowzers. What a difference that makes. And we'll get that planted for later. Get everything warmed up. Just spent about the last hour just stargazing, watching the sky. There's been a couple of planes flown over and I'm really keen to see if I can spot any meteorites coming in. You know, shooting stars. Struggling a bit because of the full moon, but what a location. Totally still. And not a breath of wind. Apart from when the ptarmigan kick off now and again, it's been really peaceful, and then they'll start chirping. Puts the fear of God into you for a second. Yeah. What a spot. Now I've got those hand warmers and foot warmers on the go, these chemical sachet things. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic for the winter. I'll be using them from now on. In between those and my hot water bottle. Yeah, it's going to be a cosy night. But even just now, although I've got all this on the go, it's not quite as cold as I was expecting it to be. You can just see some headlights away over there actually. That's cars going up and down through the glen, up past the ski centre, coming to and from 𝗹𝗶𝗸𝗲, which is just the other side of the range there. Do a bit more stargazing I think, and time for a coffee after that. Well, that's the last coffee for the evening. My God, I've had a few. Matter of fact, it's just washing down the whiskey I've had. That was lovely. Now, when it comes to the YouTube channel, that's another thing in itself. I am going to take a break from YouTube for a few months now. The reason for this is that I would like to have more content coming out a bit more regularly than it is. At the moment it's a bit far and few between, but because of family, work, weather, things like that, I've not managed to produce as much as I would really like to. And to be honest, I would like to have a kind of back catalogue so that I could put one out every week more consistently. And if I take a bit of a break, well, I'll still be filming, but for yourselves watching or my subscribers, it'll be a bit of a break, but then hopefully in a few months' time I'll be able to put stuff out a bit more regularly. So that's the plan for 2022, is to try and be a bit more regular with the filming. I am going to heat up this water now for the water bottle and hit the sack, and we'll see in the morning if we've got a bit of a cloud inversion or not. I don't think we'll get one here. It'd be nice if we do, but I don't think so. But we'll see what happens, fingers crossed. And that's it for now, and until the morning, yeah, that's it. Just made a mad dash up to the summit of this peak because I knew there'd be a cloud inversion, and it's actually going on as far as I can see. That's it, and the moon just behind, heading back down, setting in the west. What a trip it's been, really enjoyed it. It was great to get away, and it's only 6 days now until Christmas, so I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody that has followed along with me this year on my channel, all my subscribers and friends and everybody I go out with on the wild camping, and just wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope that you have a great new year. I hope 2022 is better for everybody. Yeah, I just wish you all the best, I really do. And as I said, thank you very much for following my channel. So from the glorious Cairngorms and another fantastic trip away, that's it, time to go and head home. And until the next time, whenever that may be, take care.